Tight turn with a long truck.
Just scrape it.
It's just a plastic truck hit a plastic Jeep. What can you hurt?
Nothing.
On today's episode of Casey and Grumpy Do Things, we are in the big truck and we are looking for a broke down landscaping truck somewhere here in Sun River in all these little roundabouts and circles. Yeah, so we'll see if we can find it. Luckily, he sent me a picture of it and it is a very brightly colored truck, so hopefully it's easy to spot.
What color would it be?
Red and yellow.
Oh, we can't do a red and yellow truck. We got too many.
Yeah, so
this is Circle 9 lot easy. Yeah, this is the one we went around about 5 times. I think Beaver's the one right here.
yeah. There it is. Look at all them flashy lights.
Oh, we get to do a trailer and a...
No, he's going to take the trailer. I'm going to take the truck.
Oh, okay. Oh, he's got a different vehicle. Oh, it's a little one.
Yeah. Okay. So this thing died. It sounds like the fuel pump went out. So he's going to unhook the trailer and take the trailer. We're going to winch this up on the bed and then take it to the repair shop.
Cool.
You know, this is the first time I haul something on the bed. I was starting to wonder why I bought a rollback and not just a wrecker. Hey. Everything's had to get towed.
One of my pet peeves is people who leave the doors open when they get out of their car. I know. I was a cop for 10 years. I've seen a few things.
Not naming any names.
Go ahead.
You want to hop in it? You
Go ahead and say it.
Just hold it right there. Once we get up a little, we'll straighten out so it's center. That's what I was looking at.
Greatest truck ever. It's a Chevy 350 V8. It'll keep up with any pickup truck on the road when it's empty. It holds 16 cubic yards of leaves and debris, so it dumps like crazy.
I feel like I'm cheating on Consolidated. Well, I like those guys. They've always been really cool.
They've had every vehicle we own on their truck. All the pickups, all the trailers, run on fire twice.
They're a really cool company. They're big enough. They don't need any help from anyone else. Yet they still want to work together with everybody.
They're good guys.
Very cool.
Don't get a ride. Don't even think about it. Max, look at him. He's growling at me.
Of course, when you break down in the road is when you're going to see everybody you know drive past.
Oh yeah. Kind of like I can go anywhere without being recognized.
Well, it's not like your truck stand out or anything.
Okay, you can narrate now.
Oh, I can be on camera now.
Yeah.
All right. The good thing about a neighborhood with a million roundabouts is we can turn around and get back out real easy.
Well, I was backed into that crossroad.
This will take us right out, roundabout road, off we go.
Oh, different roundabouts, huh?
I got GPS, look.
These kids got everything.
Give me that.
Yeah.
Grumpy has issues with seat belts.
Oh.
Like, he tries to wear them, he does good. He cannot get them on. Do your shoulders not go that far or something?
I was pulling on the wrong belt.
It's an air conditioner back on.
Yeah, it warmed up.
That did. I don't know if it warmed up or I just actually worked for once, but good air conditioner now. Same time.
Oh, it is super.
Look at, they got maps just posted. See that? Maps. Because it's so confusing in here that they have maps just like the "you are here" at Disneyland.
If you are here, you are lost.
Yeah. Oh, that was the road we were supposed to take. We're lost. All right, no, we can still get out. We got another way.
Yeah, we're on 10. We're going to the village.
Okay. So this whole village is laid out kind of like a spider web. If the spider was really drunk before it made its web, there is just a crisscross of roads and roundabouts everywhere, and I get very easily lost in here. Case in point, I'm on the wrong road right now. That way.
Gotta go that way. It's one way. See that? And then it'll say to Highway 97.
Yeah, the last one said that too, and that didn't help, did it?
No, it was pointing this way.
Hey, we passed this on the way in, which means we must be going out.
We did. I think we're on the right road. Record this on the way out. You can't see the load. Oh yeah, you can. We put it in prison.
I kind of want to cut those bars out. Alright, we made it back into Bend, and the truck didn't fall off the back yet, so we're still doing good. Be there in just a couple minutes to see where we're going to unload it. Alright, that is the shop we're going to right there.
Oh, the pretty colors.
Yeah.
And where?
Oh, I've seen this van before. Check out this van pickup dually with a sleeper on it.
Huh.
That thing is cool.
Yeah, and it's on a Ford too. Oh.
Okay, so I don't think we're going to be backing it into a bay.
No.
So we are here, and so are a lot of other cars, so we're going to see what we're going to do with this thing.
We're looking for a parking place.
Yeah. We put it right here. So he's going to move this truck, and then I'm going to back it right in here.
Okay, well you can back it.
I'm going to go down, turn around, and come back. Okay. You shut your door this time?
That's why I leave my door open, because here he is driving off and leaving.
Later, Henry.
He likes it.
Okay, drive off and leave.
Oh, he came back and felt sorry for me. I guess he realized I closed my door. car back there?
I'm gonna pull up here out of the way and put the paint on. Now your day's over. We should bring the big truck next time.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody should be happy. I finally used my strobe lights. Alright, here we roll?
Yep. The talking head here is going to...
Fine, now I'm not going to talk. The video's just over. That's it. How are we going to get out of here?
Why don't you go this way and then go...
Well, because now all these cars
Oh,
are coming.
yeah.
Because you made me take so long thinking about not talking.
Oh, for crying out loud. I'm going to quit being your tour guide.
I thought I was your tour guide. I'm the one leading you around. Well, this truck made that very easy.
Oh, man. Can you imagine doing that with the red and white?
Fast and easy. Pick it up, get out of there, set it down, get out of there. Okay. Oh, that's a tight turn.
Yeah.
Tight turn with a
Hit
long
the
truck.
Jeep, hit the Jeep. Just scrape it.
That's
Nice,
fine.
nice and done.
It's just a plastic truck hit a plastic Jeep. What can you hurt?
Nothing.
Alright, since Grumpy doesn't want me to talk anymore and just makes fun of me when I do, that's just the end of the video. So
I hurt his feelings.
I would say thanks for watching and to see you next time and all that, but he's just going to make fun of me if I do. So
No, I won't make fun.
this is like the end screen thing, and then the video
keep
goes
going,
away and
or
it's
you wanna
done.
end? What do you want to do?